Welcome to my creative corner. In today's video, I'll show you some beautiful and unique handmade bookmarks that are super easy to make. These bookmarks are perfect for adding a touch of personality to your reading time or gifting to your loved ones. Let's dive into the details of each one. Bookmark 1. This elegant lotus-themed bookmark features a vibrant pink lotus with bright green leaves. The orange border adds a warm touch, making it a perfect choice for nature lovers and anyone who appreciates floral art. Bookmark 2. A charming and motivational bookmark with the quote, "Happiness is a cup of coffee and a good book." It's illustrated with a stack of colorful books and a cute coffee mug, making it ideal for book lovers who enjoy cozy reading moments. Bookmark 3. Bright and fruity. This bookmark is a delightful combination of strawberries, apples, lemons, and watermelon slices. Its refreshing design makes it perfect for adding a juicy pop of color to your favorite book. A cosmic adventure on paper. This space-themed bookmark showcases adorable planets and stars with smiling faces. The colorful gradient background adds an ethereal vibe, making it a fun choice for science and space enthusiasts.
Panda bookmark. This adorable bookmark features cute pandas hanging on a clothesline, along with playful details like a small plant and scattered items. It's perfect for animal lovers. Beautiful Leaves bookmark, a colorful and vibrant bookmark with abstract background patterns and a sleek leaf design. The word "beautiful" adds a charming touch. Hope bookmark, a minimalist bookmark with a single delicate flower and the word "hope" elegantly incorporated into the stem. Its simple design exudes calmness and positivity. 4. Good Luck bookmark, a cheerful bookmark with hand-drawn flowers, hearts, and leaves, accompanied by the message, "Good luck." The pastel background adds a lively and uplifting vibe. This is a hand-drawn bookmark with intricate curved line patterns, creating a mesmerizing and relaxing design, ideal for any book lover. Image. Here's a colorful set of bookmarks featuring the quote, "Forever and always," adorned with vibrant stripes and a cute heart for an artistic touch. Charming floral bookmark with hand-painted flowers and inspiring words like hope and beautiful, perfect for spreading positivity.
Thank you for exploring the beauty of creativity and craftsmanship with these handmade bookmarks. Each piece is designed with care, blending functionality with artistry to add a personal touch to your reading experience. Whether marking your favorite passage or gifting a token of thoughtfulness, these bookmarks carry a charm that makes every story even more special. Happy reading!